Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitter account, especially with the recent updates from X platform. Let's launch Twitter and let me walk you through. First thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and click on the upper left corner and essentially you want to go on your profile settings. Now when you're at your profile, I want you to hit the lower side of the menu which says settings and support. You click on settings and support and then you want to click on settings and privacy. Okay, very similar to any other menu of any other social media. Then I want you to go ahead and click on your account, the first option. When you're over here, you have the last option, which is deactivate your account. You click on it and you essentially find out that you're about to delete your account, meaning that your username, your public profile, your content will no longer be available on X, on iOS or Android. But they want to make sure that you're aware that some Google results might still keep a particular part of your data, of your information that you previously shared on X. Okay, so separate cloud, separate search based engine. So there is a possibility for this. Second important note that I want to highlight over here, guys, is that you will have up to 30 days after you click deactivate your account. So essentially you can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. If you have any active, subscriptions, you pay for premium or something, everything will essentially be cancelled. And they're saying that subscriptions purchased on twitter.com will automatically be cancelled after you deactivate your account. And this is how you guys deactivate your Twitter account. Very easy, very simple. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.